avocado sandwiches in one go. Wow, Yugiva, what sandwich are you going to make first? I'm going to make the avocado pesto sandwich. Here's what we need. Pesto sauce, sun-dried tomatoes, and mozzarella cheese. Yugiva, you forgot the most important ingredients. The avocado and the bread and the olives. Let's start making it. I'm getting hungry. Okay. Fast. Okay, now let's take the bread. Now you're gonna make a pesto sauce, and I was too busy today, so I just got a fresh pesto sauce from the store. But they both are equally tasty, so you want to make it in the house, you can. So you can take your pesto sauce and apply it on your bread, and make sure it doesn't break. Be extra careful. Apply it nicely and evenly. Now can we add the avocados? Wait, yes. You can put the avocados in any way you want. After you spread it the pesto sauce, and then you can put the avocado. Make sure not to put too much, otherwise when we are toasting it, the avocado can get smashed in the toaster. Now we are going to add other toppings of your choice, and I'm going to add olives and sun-dried tomatoes. But if the grown-ups are eating it, they can put some jalapeños, but we don't like spicy, so we are going to just stay with the olives and sun-dried tomatoes. And if you want some caramelized onions, you can put it, but we don't like that sweet taste, so we are not going to put it. Now it's time for the yummy creamy layer of cheese. We are going to use mozzarella cheese, and only use 2 because when you're going to put it in the toaster, it's all going to melt out. So then it'll not be so good and it'll all come in the toaster. Only remember to put 2. I think you need a slide head, right? Let me do it. Oops. Before this falls. Keep like that. Now that it's done, we are going to put another bread. So now we are going to put it in the griller. If you don't have a griller, you can use a waffle maker. Now let me go put this back in my griller. Yugi, now can we eat it? Yes, it's looking so yummy after we done the grill. So good. So good. Now it's tired. I'm going to judge it, right? Both of them just feel good in this one. Oh no, where's YUGVIR'S gone? Maybe he's gone somewhere. I don't know where he is. You already started without me? Yes, where were you? I went to the bathroom. Let's start on our next sandwich. Shivu, can you guess what the next sandwich is? Hummus avocado sandwich? That's right. So here's what we need. We need some hummus, avocado, and bread. Yugi, you forgot the most important thing. The tomatoes and the cheese and the microgreens. So here, let's get started. We are going to begin with a slice of bread, and then we are going to apply our hummus. As I told you, I was too busy, so I got it from the store. Otherwise, you're free to make the hummus. You can, if you have to make the hummus, maybe if you on the description box. Put an even layer of hummus and spread it out. avocados are done, you can put some cherry tomatoes. If you don't have cherry tomatoes, you can put normal tomatoes. Now that it's done, we are gonna put some feta cheese. Don't use too much, otherwise it will become too salty. Use very little, just a pinch. Done you. Now after that, microgreens are very healthy and they give a crunch to the sandwich. I'm gonna put the microgreens and put the other bread on top. Yugvir, do we need to put in the griller? No, we are going to eat it just like that. What are we waiting for? Let's begin. So good. So good. Now it's time for the final and last avocado toast. This is the most special avocado toast because it's my mommy's special recipe and it has a creamy dip. Here's how to make it, and Shivu knows, so he can start ahead with the ingredients. Here's what we need. We need some curd, some salt and pepper, and some mustard sauce, and a little bit of garlic. So here's how to make it. Here's my bowl of curd, and now we mix it all together. Put all of your mustard sauce in. Now to season it, put some salt and pepper. A pinch. Yugvir, can you mix it for me? Okay. Make sure there are no lumps in the curd. Yugvir, now can we taste it? Okay, I think it's mixed properly. It needs a little bit of salt and pepper. I'll take the salt. That's perfect. Now that our curd dip is ready, we are going to assemble it. Shivu, how are you going to assemble it? First we need a toast. Then what do we do? Now we spread the curd. We are using a nice sourdough bread, but you can use any kind of bread you want. And we put lots of butter on the bread. Now once we put our curd dip, we are going to start putting the avocados. Now that it's done with all the avocado, we are gonna garnish it with some microgreens so the crunchy taste comes, as I told you in the sandwich. it's done, we are going to put it in a plate. Wow, this is looking so yum. Let's taste it. So good.
So good.
I hope you like this very exciting video with my cousin Shivansh. So for more recipes coming up every Saturday 9 o'clock, subscribe to my channel YUGVIR'S Kitchen. Bye. See you next time.
Bye everybody. See you next time.